Hi guys. Today I'm painting a simple flamingo painting, and I really think you could make this too. I did it in my sketchbook, but you could just put it on some paper and it would make a really nice little thing that you could hang up somewhere in your house. So come paint with me. But first, a word from Doge. Just a Doge. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, I sketched first and then put the background over it. And as I said here, I could still faintly see the sketch through the paint. So it was still really helpful. And even kind of like you create a muscle memory when you do something like that as well, just real quickly, so you kind of get the idea of where things are going to be. So anyway, just wanted to mention that. Now, yeah, I'm kind of sketching with the paint, and that's a thing too. Just using the paint really, really lightly, and particularly with gouache. This works really nicely because you can continue to move the paint around when you add water. As long as you're careful, you can tear up your paper if you're not careful, but yeah, you can kind of sketch and just build up the layers and continue to pretty easily manipulate the paint with gouache. So it's a kind of a freeing, I think, paint to use. So now I'm adding a little bit of gray just to start filling in the beak. I mean, you can see that. You can probably see what that is. The head shape's a little weird, but guess what? Oh, look, I added to it and it starts looking more normal. And as I go along, I'll just keep developing the shape and building it up. I'm using a super light pink on the bottom, plus that gray, and then I'll add more and more. Yep, I'll just keep building up the layers and improving the shape. And you can do this too. I really, really think you can do it. So I hope you'll try. So a word about what I'm painting right now. That's negative space right there. Any area that's not the flamingo on this one, I would consider a negative space. And negative space can be helpful in making a composition look nice. It can also be helpful in making the subject have the right shape. So yeah, those teardrop drop shapes were really helpful for this flamingo neck. Okay,